Welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are looking into implicit functions. So now let's explain what implicit functions are, and we solve questions on that. Now implicit functions are of the form we have xy raised to power 2 plus xy raised to power 3 plus 3x equals to 0 equals to 0. So times, let's remove 0. So now just form of this expression whereby we are having xy together, so which we have to find the differentiation of each one of them separately. So we have to find the differentiation of this separate, we find the differentiation of this separate, we find the differentiation of this separate, and we find the differentiation of y separate as well. But when we are looking for the differentiation of the x, we don't put the x over the x, but for y we put the y over the x. So now okay, this is equals to 0 equals to 1. Now if you are to find the differentiation of this, now we first look for the differentiation of the x here. We have differentiation x, we have in it, the differentiation of x here is 1, so we have y raised to power 2. Now we're supposed to put the x over the x, but we don't put the x over the x. So differentiate x, we are having y squared. So when you differentiate y now, we have, that will be 2x, because this will come and multiply this. We are having 2x, y raised to power 2 minus 1, we are having what? 1. We now put the y over what? The x. So the second one too, we have the differentiation of x here, we have y raised to power 3. So we now differentiate y now. Since we are having plus, we repeat as plus. We have 3x y raised to power 2 plus 3 minus 1. So you put the y over the x. Plus differentiation of x here, we are having 3, which is equals to what? Z. So then we collect the one of the y over the x, then transfer the rest to the other side. So now we have 2x dy over the x plus 3xy squared dy over the x. Then we transfer the remaining ones to the other side. So 3 comes to that side, we have minus 3, or minus y squared, minus y raised to power 3. So the next thing is for us to factorize. We factorize the y, the x. So let's factorize the y, the x. We have the y over the x now equals, the y over the x, the y over the x, the y over the x into brackets 2xy plus 3xy raised to power 2, which is equals to minus 3 minus y squared minus y raised to power 2. So the next thing is to divide through with divide through with 2xy plus 3 xy raised to power 2 over 2xy plus 3x y raised to power 2. So this will cancel this. We have the y over the x. the y over the x, the y over the x, which is equal to minus 3 minus y squared minus y raised to 3 over 2xy plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 3xy raised to 2. So this is how to find implicit functions of the given question. So in the next video we'll be solving more questions on this and see how to apply that to several questions. So see you. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class we'll be solving more questions on implicit functions. See you next time.